Welcome to my channel once again. It's a wonderful day. It's been a while, a minute since I posted a video. I've been longing to talk to you, to show you what has been happening. It has been raining heavily here in Kenya. We haven't got time to do anything but planting, plowing, and all that. As you can see, everything is green. We've been planting some grass here in my compound. It has been quite some work. Please let us join together and enjoy the video.
It's been too long now. I think that I want a second guess you, a second guess me, a second.
The bananas are doing well. Some of them had fallen down due to the heavy winds, heavy rains. This one is not yet ready, but I decided to cover it and just keep it there so that at least it will be mature. I hope it will work. One of my grandmothers taught me this. I hope it's going to work. I decided to do some pruning. There was a lot of weeds, a lot of tubers, and you know, bananas, if you don't prune, you will not get good harvest from your bananas.
Guess them, don't second guess me. Live in the moment, cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. Live in the moment, cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. So come a little closer, but don't hold your breath.
Let me know if it's raining wherever you are, whether you are in Kenya, whether you are outside the country, wherever you are. Here in Rift Valley, it's really raining. I understand parts of the coast is not raining, still dry. I had traveled there and it was very hot. It is very hot there. Not yet raining, but here Nairobi, it's really raining, and I hope you're taking advantage of the rains. You're planting. If you have some flowers around, you have to plant them now. This is the time. If you had planned to plant some trees, this is the time. It's green everywhere. Please let us take advantage of the rains.
Silence in the background, violence in your eyes now. Remember that time you gave your heart to me. Remember that time when life was like a dream. You know what I know. You know what I know. I need to hold you close to me, to me.
Don't forget also to do some water conservation. This is the right time. If you have a well, if you have a water tank, please let us conserve water. We had a very dry season, very dry. The drought was really, it hit us very hard. Please let us take advantage. The vegetables are doing well. I had planted some. This one survived the drought and they're already up. Just a matter of time and we'll be plucking. I also need to do some weeding here at my garden. This is my home garden, my urban area. There are a lot of weeds here. I need to take advantage and do some weeding. I really want also to teach my girls how to weed. This is the right time when they have closed schools to teach them. Please, if you have kids at home, please teach them how to do some shamba work. It will help them in future. The hens are also enjoying many insects in the ground. Please let your hens come out and enjoy.
To me, yeah. Life is our game that we play. I won't get away. We can find a safe place within our company. Within our company. Within our company. So come closer to me. Come a little closer.
The flowers are blossoming. They're feeling happy. It is so nice to see the flowers that survived the drought. Otherwise, I don't have much. I just wanted to at least talk to you, my people, my beloved ones. I am back again. Please wait for more videos on your way as we continue planting. Let us continue watching, supporting this channel, the Max Farm Homestead. For those who have not subscribed, please subscribe. And for those who have subscribed, thank you so much. I love you guys. Welcome again. I'm here and I'll be bringing more content. Welcome and please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.